Welcome back to my new video of chapter number 2, A Cup of Cha. This is the last video of this chapter, A Cup of Cha. Through this video, we will discuss about exercise. Exercise means about question answers, because already we have discussed about the story of this chapter, A Cup of Cha. Already we know that this is a story of a young girl, Meera, and her parents who on the trip. During their trip, Meera had a wonderful experience. Okay, so I am going to write the question answer. Okay, I am going to write the question answer. I will explain the question answer also. And after question answer, but before this, I want to give some instructions. Till last week, most of the students were not present in my online classes. So I have request to all of you that all of you will present on time every day in this online classes, because if you want to stay with us, you have to join this class. Through these classes, you can learn so many things. In the same way, all of you learn in the regular classes. So, okay, let us start. And after this video, when this video is completed, all of you will write the question answer of this chapter number 2. All listen to me carefully. All of you will write question answer. You will write question and answer both, not only answer. You will write question and answer both in your copy. On the first, all of you will write the top of the page, top of your notebook, chapter number 2, chapter name A Cup of Cha, and exercise number C. Answer the question and write the question and answer like this. All of you will write in good handwriting and with correct spelling. Okay, and all of you will send it to me for correction work. Okay, so let us start the question answer. First question is, you can see that the first question is, why does Meera ask her parent to hurry? At the time of explanation, already I told, मीरा जब ट्रिप पर जाती है तो अपने पेरेंट को जल्दी जल्दी क्यों बुलाती है कि चलो बाबा जल्दी से, माँ बाबा जल्दी से चलो, क्योंकि ये सूरज डूबने वाला है. वो जल्दीबाजी में क्यों थी? व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर क्या होगा? आंसर इज, मीरा आस्क्ड हर पेरेंट to hurry, HURRY, hurry. And already I told we can use and instead of because. Meera asked her parent to hurry as she wants to see and enjoy. She wants to see and enjoy the beauty of nature. Beauty of nature, NATURE. Beauty of nature before the sun sets. Before the sun sets. Meera asked her parents to hurry as she wants to see and enjoy the beauty of nature before the sun sets. So, student, this is the first answer of question number 1. मीरा क्या चाहती थी? मीरा यह चाहती थी कि मीरा इसलिए अपने बाबा और माँ को जल्दी बुलाना चाहती थी क्योंकि वह यह जो नेचर का जो प्रकृति की जो सुंदरता थी उसको वह देखना चाहती थी, उसको एंजॉय करना चाहती थी सूर्य के सन के सेट होने से, सन के डूबने से पहले. सो दिस इज द आंसर. नाउ एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द आंसर. सेकंड क्वेश्चन. After completing the answer of question number 1, you can see that I have written 2 more questions. Second question is, what sound do the fallen leaves make? And third question is, what does Baba set off to chase? Second question, what sound do the fallen leaves make? अगर हम लोग देखते हैं कि ग्राउंड पे अगर सूखा हुआ पत्ता गिरा रहता है और अगर हम लोग को उस पर पैर पड़ता तो कैसा आवाज आता है? कड़कड़ा कड़क आवाज आता है ना, वही लिखा है. The fallen leaves make the crunching sound. Crunching means कड़क sound. Okay, the fallen leaves make the crunching sound. This is the answer of question number 2. Now come to question number 3. Third question, what does Baba set up to chase? चेस करना मीन्स पीछा करना. किधर की ओर गए? जो मीरा के फादर थे वो किधर की ओर गए? किधर की ओर किसका पीछा किए? किधर वो जाने के लिए परेशान थे? बाबा सेट्स ऑफ टू चेस द अरोमा ऑफ टी. बाबा जो है वो किधर की ओर गए? किधर की तरफ? तो जिधर से चाय का खुशबू आ रहा था. अरोमा मीन्स व्हाट? अरोमा मीन्स फ्रेग्रेंस मीन्स खुशबू. ओके, so this is the answer of question number 3. Baba sets off to chase the aroma of tea. Aroma means fragrance, खुशबू. तो जिधर से चाय की जो खुशबू आ रहा था उधर के वो गए. I have written question number 4 and question number 5 on the board. Question number 4 is, how does Dada finally pour 3 cups of tea? चाय वाले दादा ने कप में 3 कप में चाय को कैसे डाला? पोर करना मतलब पोर मीन्स उड़ेलना, डालना. दादा फाइनली pours 3 cup of tea through a strainer. Strainer means what? Dada finally pours 3 cups of tea through a strainer. Strainer means चाय छन्नी. सभी के घरों में होता है जिससे चाय से छाना जाता है चाय को, चाय छन्नी, जिसको छन्नी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, स्ट्रेनर. Now question number 5. What is Meera's job at home? Why does do it? मीरा का घर में अब क्या जॉब था? वहां से टूर से घूम के आने के बाद. And why does do it? Why she does do it? Why she does do it? Okay, Meera's job at home is to see her parents making tea because she wants to stay. Stay means what? Stay means गौर से ध्यान से देखना. Stay means ध्यान से देखना. Stares into the cups and sugar disappear means गायब हो जाना. जब हम लोग लिक्विड में मिल्क और वाटर में जब हम लोग चीनी को डालते हैं, चाय में चीनी को डालते हैं और उसको शेक करते हैं, हिलाते हैं, मिलाते हैं, तो क्या होता है? चीनी गायब हो जाता है. डिसअपियर मींस गायब होना. So Meera's job at home is to see her parents making tea because she wants to stay. ध्यान से देखती थी into the cups as the sugar disappears. Okay, this is the first part of this answer. The second question of question number 5. Second part of question number 5. Why does it do it? Why does she do it? Why does she do it? वैसा क्यों करती थी? So she does it. वो इसलिए ऐसा करती थी. She does it because she loves the tinkling sound of the spoon. She does it because she loves the tinkling sound of the spoon against the cup. जब हम लोग चाय के कप में चीनी वगैरह डाल के जब हम उसको चम्मच से जब हिलाते हैं और चाय का चम्मच जब कप कप के वाल पर जब वो टकराता है तो एक टिंकलिंग साउंड निकलता है ना, दैट्स इट कॉल्ड एज टिंकलिंग साउंड. So this is the answer. She does it because she loves the tinkling sound of the spoon against the cup. Spoon means चम्मच. हम लोग भी देखते हैं जब चाय दूध वगैरह में चीनी वगैरह जब डालते हैं या कोई मिल्क कुछ भी जूस वगैरह लेते हैं उसमें डालते हैं अगर हम लोग चीनी या नमक, तो हम लोग जो है उसे चम्मच से चलाते हैं ताकि वह डिजर्पेयर हो जाए, मतलब वो घुल जाए. नमक या चीनी पानी में या दूध में जो भी है उसमें वह घुल जाए. तो उससे जो जब स्पून टकराता है उससे कैसे साउंड निकलता है, टिंकलिंग साउंड बोलते हैं उसको. और टिंकलिंग साउंड को मीरा काफी पसंद करती है. क्वेश्चन आंसर students, you can see that I have drawn a picture of drawing of Catly. ठीक है, Catly, okay, this is Catly. Now already this picture is given in your textbook, and find out the name of some part of this Catly. Okay, first part, what is this? Okay, this part is called what? Second is which? And the third is what? So you have to write the main three part of this Catly. Okay? Which part is this called? Which part? This part is called lead. L-I-D. It means ढक्कन. It means ढक्कन जिसे हम ढकते हैं. Now the second part is, have you seen the Catly? If you have seen the Catly already, this main three parts. Okay, and this is the main part where some liquid is stored. Okay, and what is the second? This part from where the steams come out after boiling the water or whatever. This part is called what? Spout. S-P-O-U-T. Spout. This part is called lid and this part is called spout. And जिसे हम लोग केटली को होल्ड करके रखते हैं, पकड़ के रखते हैं, उठा के डालना तो क्या करते हैं? Which part? This part is called what? This part is called handle. What? Handle. H-A-N-D-L-E. H-A-N-D-L-E. This part is called handle, this part is called lid, ढक्कन, and this part is called spout. So this is the picture of Catly, and this is the three different parts. So students, one more time I want to repeat my statement that you have to write the question and answer both in your copy. Not only answer. Right, you have to write question and answer of these all 5 question answer in your copy in good handwriting. Don't do overwriting. And other things, these things already are given in your textbook, so you will write the name of this part in your copy. You have to also draw the picture or drawing of Catly and show these 3 different parts. Okay. So students, this is second chapter is completed now.